Hey everyone, my name is Annelle and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, hello, welcome. I make videos mostly about beauty, lifestyle, skincare, and all things arty girls. So if you're interested in that kind of content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps out my channel a lot. Yeah, so anyway, my recent videos about Liese hair color have been getting quite a lot of views than normal. I mean, more than the usual views on my channel. So I decided to ask you guys what color you'd like me to try next, and after this poll that I put out I think a week or two ago, you guys voted that I should try out this cool pink color. Yeah, so this is also part of the design series of Liese, and you can only buy these products from Lazada or Shopee. I got these on sale on Shopee, so I'll insert it right here how much I got it for. So I also have some very exciting news for you guys. So aside from this hair color that we will be trying out today, I have partnered with Liese Philippines and we will be holding a giveaway together. Yay! So this is the first giveaway of 2021. So thank you so much, Liese Philippines and your sister brands, for being a part of it. So I will let you guys know the mechanics somewhere in the middle of the video. So please watch this video from end to end so that you guys know how you can win some exciting products from Liese Philippines and their sister brands. So there. Anyway, let's start with the coloring process with this cool pink. I bought 2 boxes just like the violet one that we did previously. If you haven't seen that video, I will be linking it up here in the cards. And if you want to see also the ash color from Liese as well, I'll put it up here and down in the description box. I will be unboxing this for you guys, showing you guys how to patch test, showing you the application process as well, and of course the end results. So anyway, let's go.
Excel on the track.
What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something something that made you mad. Wishing that I could call you. Sorry, my service bad, my bad. When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. All I want is you. Tell me, does a flower in the shade ever feel a little jealousy? Does it ever go away? All I want is you to answer me right now. Just dance with me right now. Just dance with me right now. When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. All I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something that made you mad. Wishing that I could call you.